my name is Mariano Zeron. In this video, we're going to go through the Mocax documentation that we offer with the distribution. So here we have the folder that you obtain when you unzip the distribution that you can download from our website. If you go inside of it, you'll find this folder called Mocax Documentation PDF. Inside of it, we've got 4 PDF files. User manual is a very high-level description of what Mocax is. Both C++ manual and Python manual are a set of documents that have 2 main purposes. The first one is to describe how to install the library. The second one, so the description would be here, for example. And the second one is shows you some examples of how to build or construct some of the main objects that you can construct with the library. The fourth file that we have in the documentation, which is the fast track guide, is a very easy step-by-step set of instructions that will help you get started with the main functionalities of the library. So these are in PDF format for those who prefer this sort of document. But for most developers, we've created, and you'll find them in both inside the Linux and the Windows distribution, the HTML documentation. So if you go all the way into either the C++ or the Python folder, we choose Python because it's the language that we're going to be using for most of the videos. Inside you'll see Mocax documentation HTML. Inside of it, you'll see the folder HTML. Go into it, and then find index and open it up with any browser that you want. When you open it, you'll see the documentation. Now, the software, both the C++ version and the Python version, are object-oriented, so everything revolves around classes. And if you go to the classes section, you'll see all the classes that Mocax has, at least in this case for Python. The main class being Mocax, which generates the fundamental objects of the library. And the rest of the classes are classes that basically revolve around Mocax. So let's go into Mocax just to show you how everything looks. Inside here, you'll see the constructor, which is this init, and all the other methods which accompany the constructor. If you want to click on any of them to see the description, just do it like this. In this particular case, I chose the constructor. Shows you all the parameters that you need to pass with a description of these parameters. And at the end comes some code, example code, that you can use in order to be able to start using the library. So this is the documentation in Python. If you were interested in finding the one for C++, just go to the corresponding C++ folder, and inside of it you'll find, again, Mocax documentation. Open the HTML, launch it on the browser, and you'll get the equivalent version but for C++. So with the documentation and the installation instructions, now you should be ready to have Mocax installed and ready to begin programming with it. In future videos, we'll show you how to start using the library. Thank you.